With the start of new month, here is the list of best Android apps for the March's month. Hi everyone, I am Nikhil here from TechNest. Welcome back to episode number 5 of monthly best Android apps, where I try to showcase those apps which are most secure and one of the best in their categories. So let's start the video. And if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified once we release such tech videos for you. Now the first app in our list is Solid Explorer File Manager. It is one of the best Explorer out there, if not the best. And it is because it allows you to do so much. It features built-in encryption to encrypt your important and essential files. Solid Explorer lets you navigate to files stored in your device and automatically organizes them into collections. You can view, delete, rename or share any files. It also allows you to quickly find the file you need through index search with filters. It protects selected file with strong AES encryption and put them in a secure folder, which contents are unreadable for other apps. The file manager will ask for password or fingerprint configuration when you browse the folder. Even if you uninstall Solid Explorer, the files stay on your device and are still protected. Although this file manager does not feature a dedicated store analyzer, you can find out which files take up most of the space by going to the folder properties of the internal storage or SD card. You will find the information about the percentage of space each folder takes and the list of biggest files. You can also use the search with a file size filter. There is really a lot to love about it. You can use this app for 2 weeks as a trial, and post which you need to pay one-time license in order to use it. But other than that, it is one of the very few paid Android apps that I think is actually honestly worth it. Subscription is a great app, and by its name it is self-explanatory, but let me explain. We all subscribe to a lot of streaming services as well as apps from the Play Store, so I am sure you can relate to this. Keeping track of all of them can be really tough. Now this is where this app is great. It is a very simple, clean and nice looking app. You have to just add the things that you have subscribed to. So it shows you your monthly expenses, due date of payment like your mobile bill. So this way you can keep track of everything. I mean, there have been time in past where I have subscribed to a pro version of app and forgotten about it, and it keep deducting money from my account. So subscription is kind of perfect because it also free. Friendspire is an app which helps you in your constant quest to trying to find out what you wanna watch on OTT platform, and here how you can use it. Let's say you want to watch an action movie, so you just go to the app, select action, then select the streaming apps that you have, and here you will find every popular apps listed here. Once you select the app, it will show you all the highly rated action movies on all these streaming platforms. You can also check out the IMDb ratings. The rating is on the app, so it is very useful. Now apart from the movies and TV shows, you can also use it for books, podcast and even foods. And it is a free app, so you must try this app. Transparent Clock and Weather app is one of my favorite Android app. Not only it provides detailed weather forecast, but also cool looking widgets. The widget of this app comes in a multiple size and they look simply gorgeous on the Android home screen. Furthermore, the widget has a wide variety of customization available, such as widget skins, weather icon skins, time fonts, font size, font colors and many more. You can also display things like location, next alarm, wind speed, humidity, next event, system information and so on. As for the weather information, well, this app provides local weather forecast for your current location, and it automatically detects your location as you travel and display accurate and real-time weather reports. You can also check detailed weather forecast for today, tomorrow or the next 10 days and stay prepared for good or bad weather. So you can either use this app just to check the weather or use its widgets to customize your phone's home screen. It's up to you. Most of us started looking for an alternative to LastPass password manager apps, as from March they have changed their policy, which restrict free user to use it cross-platform. For those, Bitwarden is one of the best alternative, or we can say one of the excellent free password manager apps. It features truly diverse cross-platform support so it can replace LastPassword everywhere, not just on your phone. It has all the basics, including encryption, support of various type of information, a password generator, and two-step authentication. The app obviously works with autofill as well. The password generator is configurable based on what you need, and it includes biometric unlocking support as well. This is probably your best overall option for LastPass password manager alternative, and the one we would recommend first. Wallcraft is a freemium app that has over 15,000 plus wallpaper in HD, 2K and 4K for Android phones. And the best part of this app is it will only show you wallpaper that are suitable for the size of your screen. Also, I have not seen a single wallpaper that is low in quality, which generally I have seen on many wallpaper apps. Other than that, it also features parallax wallpapers, which simply look amazing. And just for the parallax wallpapers, I purchased their Pro version. Speaking to Pro version, by subscribing to their Pro plan, you get no ads, exclusive wallpapers, double wallpapers, and parallax wallpapers. If you are unable to purchase their Pro plan, that's okay. The app still has plenty of high quality wallpaper that you can use for free. Qustudio is an excellent parental control software that makes it easy to manage your children's mobile activity, especially with its well-designed companion app. Its best features are browser-independent web content filters and ability to set device use time limits. Rounding out its capability are local tracking, call and SMS logging, and mobile application blocking. Parents will also appreciate the instant device locking and panic button options. And this is the combination of two apps, this Qustudio parental control app for parents and the kids app Qustudio companion app on your children's devices. Together, the app allows you seamlessly manage your children's daily screen time allowances on linked mobile, tablet or desktop devices across platforms including Android, iOS and other major operating systems. Trello is a very simple way to organize and get work done within a team or family members by creating task board within the different columns, move tasks between columns and boards, adding information and file to a specific task, and assign tasks to a specific person. This tool can be used for all kind of purpose, both personal projects and even with the business, and can greatly improve productivity within a team. Whether you are planning a website designing project, vacation or company offsite, Trello is infinitely customizable and flexible for your every need. And it works on the cross-platform as well. You can use it on your phone or even a laptop as well. Faxing is not dead quite yet, but fax machines can safely be left behind thanks to online fax services. Fax.Plus Android app enable you to send faxes from anywhere, anytime or from any device without the need of fax machine, landline phone services or any other specific equipment. To prepare the documents, you can either use your phone's camera to scan documents or import the documents from local storage or cloud storage such as Google Drive or Dropbox. You can get a dedicated fax number from over 40 countries. To receive fax online on your Android phone, you will be notified with a push notification when there is a new fax in your inbox. Also, all sent and received faxes are stored in a fully encrypted archive for your future reference. The electronic signature feature makes it easier than ever to sign documents and fax them back without even printing a single page. Tasker is one of the most complex apps out of this whole list, and it has a bit of a steep learning curve to it, especially for beginners. But once you get the grasp of it, it is one of the most useful app out there. One that can automate almost every aspect of your smartphone usage and have it work the way you want it to, reducing a lot of manual input and repetitive behavior by setting automatic actions to the parameters and conditions you want. It is also a Swiss tool of sorts and serve as a workaround to adding amazing functionality to your smartphone. And here is a few automation you can do on your phone. You can react to long pressing the volume button on your mobile phone, like assign it to flashlight, skip the songs or mute your phone, and many more as well, which is not possible to cover everything in this video. If you are interested in knowing more about these apps, Do let me know in the comment section. I will create a separate video on it. So that was our list of best Android app for March. But if you think there is any other app should make this list, make sure to comment down below and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe our channel for such amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching.